Hey gang, right now is the most amazing time to get into small caps. Fed data is positive, okay? And China, well, it's not impacting the market as much as we thought it would. Earnings are right around the corner and it looks like small caps are about to take off. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I picked my small cap stocks, and I'm gonna give you a full trade with entry and exit instructions. And by the way, if you enjoy this, definitely sign up for my video. I created a 90-minute class that'll teach you how to pick out small caps like a pro. Register now below this video. Talk soon. All right, we're back in the lab and we're going to talk about small caps. So the question on everyone's mind is why small caps and why small caps now? There's actually three major reasons. I believe stocks are going to stabilize and go higher, but small caps have a bigger advantage, and there's three actually. There's a lot less impact due to China, okay? Bigger stocks have a lot bigger problems with international trades. Smaller stocks, not that much. They're usually limited to US trade, so there's not much impact from international trade wars. That's number one. 2019 is expected to be a better year for oil. We're expecting prices to stabilize and trade a little bit higher. So we're expecting more stability from oil prices. That's going to cause stocks to rise. And moreover, it's going to give small caps bigger leverage because small caps always outperform bigger stocks when markets are heading back up after a correction. That's something that's been going on for many, many decades now. And number three, corporate tax cuts. Not a lot of people are talking about them, but corporate tax cuts are going to be big for smaller caps. They're going to be big for larger caps, but they're going to have the most impact for smaller corporations. Smaller corporations are going to get the best benefits or the most benefits. So there's three major factors going for small caps. Now, with that said, what stock am I looking at? The ticker symbol we're looking at is MCHX, MCHX Inc. Now, what's so special about this stock? So the industry is expected to grow 5.9% this year. The stock itself, the earnings are expected to grow over 50% this year. That's huge for a small cap stock, okay? Very, very big, especially for a stock that's both in the internet and the communication industry. And this stock happens to be in both. And we're going to go back to our analysis in a second, but I want you guys to know that in the last 7 days, we've seen a 21.9% gain on HCP, 20% gain on SBGI, and 29.4% gain on SCS. These are all small cap stocks. Right now is the best time to get a jump on small caps. To help you get up to speed, I created an extensive class that covers all the important details that you need to get started with small caps. Just follow the link below this video now. This class will fill up fast, and I would hate for you to miss it. So don't delay and sign up now. Now let's get back to our analysis. Right now, MCHX is breaking 6-month highs, and I believe the price is going to go higher. So what I would do right now is buy right around the $3.50 level. I wouldn't really go above that level, but I would really consider buying it around the 3.5 level. I don't think you're going to overpay for the stock at that price level. And as far as a protective stop loss, I would put a stop loss at the $2.80 level. If it falls back into the base, you don't want this stock anymore. You really don't want it. You want to see continued momentum. You don't want to see the stock come back to the base, okay? So 280, 285, that's where I would put the stop level for this stock. And finally, the profit target level would be at the $550 to $575 level. That wouldn't give you 100% gain on the stock, but it would give you about 75% gain. And I expect that over the next few months. It's not a long-term investment. And as I mentioned earlier, small caps is definitely the place to be right now. They are rising. And today, I shared a trade with you to help you ride this awesome small cap wave. It's prime time to trade small caps, so learn all that you can to take advantage of it. Sign up now for my free 90-minute class to learn my strategy for picking out small caps before any technical indicator can spot them. Other traders might miss the small cap explosion, but you don't have to. Use the link below to reserve your spot in this class now before it fills up. I'll see you there.